In previous lecture, we talked about the three approach to calculate percentage of change. So we can use the initial value as the denominator, the final value as denominator, and the average value as denominator to calculate percentage of change. And at the end of the video, I mentioned the most general way to calculate percentage change is use average value as the denominator. So starting from this video, we will start to talk about different elasticities calculation, and we will use the average value as our denominator to calculate percentage of change. So in this video, we will starting talk about how to calculate the price elasticity for demand. So in order to calculate elasticity of demand, you first need to know the formula. So elasticity of demand equal to the percentage change of the quantity divided by the percentage change of the price. So in order to calculate it, we need to start first calculate percentage change of the quantity. So the percentage change of the quantity equal to the final price, or final quantity, Q2 minus the initial quantity, Q1, divided by, so as I mentioned, we will use the average value as denominator. For change, for percentage change. So we use Q2 minus Q1, we got the quantity change. So in order to get the percentage, we need to divide it by average change of the quantity. Q1 plus Q2 divided by 2. So that is average quantity change. And times 100%. Don't forget about 100%. And so we finished to calculate the numerator, the formula we will use to calculate the numerator for the elasticities. And then we need to figure out the denominator, the percentage change of the price. So it's equal to the final price, P2, minus the initial price, P1, divided by the average price, P2 plus P1, divided by 2. So this is average price, times 100%. So we know we know the percentage change of the quantity and percentage change of the price, and we can plug in back to this equation, the elasticity equation, and we'll get the price elasticity for demand. So let's find an example. So let's see the price for the coffee changed from $7 to $9. So the initial price is $7 and the final price is $9. So we know the P1 equal to 7 and $7 and the P2 equal to $9. And at the same time, since the price increase, we will have the quantity decrease. So the quantity decrease from 2,000 bags to 1,000 bags per week. So the initial quantity demand is 2,000 bags per week to the final demand is 1,000 bags per week. So now you are asked to calculate the elasticity for coffee. So what we will get here is first calculate the percentage change of the quantity and the percentage change of the price, right? So now the percentage change of the quantity equal to the Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q2 plus Q1 divided by 2 times 100%. Now you can plug in the data. So that the final quantity demand is 1,000 minus 2,000 divided by 1,000 plus 2,000 divided by 2 parentheses and times 100%. And then you will have the numerator is negative 1,000 divided by the denominator you will have the 1,500 times, and then you will get what? You will get how many percentage? So that is negative 66.7%. And how about the percentage change of the price? So again here I want to let you pay attention. So in the textbook you never say the percentage change is negative. The percentage price change is negative for the price elasticity for demand. It's because the law, everybody knows the law of the demand, and we know the sign for the elasticity should be negative because the increased price will decrease demand. So we don't care about the sign. The only thing we care about is the final value. So when you calculate the percentage change of the quantity and percentage of the price for price elasticity for demand, make sure at the end you get the absolute value. So even it's negative percent, when you write down the final answer, you should just write down 66.7%. So don't worry about the sign. So now how about the price? The percentage change of the price. Again, you get the absolute value. So it will be equal to the final price, P2 minus P1, divided by the average price. So the average price equal to the P2 plus P1 divided by 2, and the times 100%, get the absolute value. So now we can plug in the data. The final price is 9 minus 7 plus, divided by 9 plus 7 divided by 2, parentheses, times 100%, and I'll finish the absolute value. So now you can keep using the Excel, using the calculator, and what you need to get is equal to you will get equal to 40.42%. Oh, so not 42. Sorry. So, after you use the calculator, you should get 25%. So now you can start to plug in the data. So plugging the data to your elasticity formula. So the percentage change, the quantity divided by percentage change of the price, so which will give you the 66.7% divided by 25%, and you will get a 2.7. So 2.7. So the next question is, how can we decide the goods? So in the last video we will talk about it.